Today is going to be a good day because the M3 is finally getting the performance mods that it actually needs. And today is going to be a massive, and I mean massive, carbon fiber intake. Just look at this thing. I read up on this carbon fiber intake from ECS Tuning, and this sucks in 35% more air. And I don't think I'll need to tune the car, so I think we're gonna be completely fine. But it's going to look a whole lot better because this whole elbow is gonna be carbon fiber. This is going to be an exposed air filter, and it's just this huge blue air filter. Let me show you guys really quick. Look at that. That thing is huge. So I'm personally not gonna waste any time. Let's go ahead and start taking everything apart so that we can start putting that on the car. And then obviously, since we got a new intake, we have to rip this thing down the road when we're done. So we've officially got the whole cover off, and honestly, I didn't expect the filter to be this big, but it is going to look a whole lot better when it is just this huge blue one instead of this crappy, dirty, old orange one. So let's keep going. And just like that, we've got everything that we need out of the engine bay. And look at how naked it is. It is so open. And honestly, there's a lot of room to work on this engine, but that intake alone takes up all the space. But having this out makes it look so much better. Now what I have to do is pull up the instructions on my phone because I have to replace grommets, replace screws, and figure out exactly where everything bolts up. That way I don't mess this up. And then we can literally get this thing in and start ripping this thing. Like, I want to hear the induction noise so bad of this car. Just like that, we have absolutely everything out of the car. Look at how open this is. And look at how much stuff had to come out. So as of right now, we've got the new seal on, we've got the entire housing on. Now we just got to throw the elbow and the filter on, and this thing is going to be completely done. This is probably one of the easiest installs I've ever had to do. I'm not gonna lie, ECS Tuning, you've got some easy instructions. And just like that, the intake is officially fully on the car. We are gonna wait till tomorrow to get sound clips because as of right now, it is just me here, which means nobody can film me doing pulls. But we are going to get this thing on the road tomorrow first thing so that we can hear exactly what this thing sounds like. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it is officially the next day. It is a beautiful day here in Arizona. Thank God it is cloudy because I was not looking forward to doing this in the heat. But everything is on the car. Now all we need to do is go to our secret spot and do flybys. I want you guys to hear this thing. It literally sounds like I have a supercharger on this thing. It's very weird, but it has like almost a turbo whistle. I thought it was a leak at first, but it's actually just because the housing is open now, so you can actually hear it sucking in the air. And honestly, I don't think that you're expecting exactly what it's actually about to sound like, because when I say this thing has a turbo whistle now, it's got a turbo whistle. That is crazy. I don't know if the camera can pick it up from in here.
It might be able to.
I hope so.
Probably more on your side.
Yeah, probably. Just because it's over there.
Yeah. Surely it can. It's pretty loud.
Crazy, dude. No, this car's not turboed.
Nah, it sounds like it.
That's crazy. Let's see if you guys can hear this. That is nuts, dude. Holy crap. All right, we're gonna let the car get up to temp really quick, and then we are going to do some pulls, and I'm also gonna pop the hood and rev it. That way you guys can hear the whistle noise because it is a lot louder with the hood open. That is crazy.
All from an air intake.
It's just like spooling. Oh, there's no turbo under the hood. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, it is actually crazy to me that this thing literally sounds like it has a turbo spooling under the hood when it's just this absolutely massive intake. I'm honestly at a loss of words. I don't really know what to say. Like, it sounds so good, and the car sounds so much deeper. I know you probably can't tell much over the actual camera, but in person, this thing is so much deeper than it used to be. And I love that this thing makes that slight whistle noise when we're in low RPMs, because that means whenever I'm driving and, you know, at a car meet, just cruising through the parking lot or anything like that, it is just, it's just sucking in air so much that it is making a whistle noise. And don't worry, I know you guys are gonna say, Corbin, that is probably a leak. It's not. I literally searched the whole thing, because the first thing I did after I installed this yesterday was take it for a test drive to see how it performed, and I heard it, and trust me, the first thing I thought too was it's got to be an air leak. But this right here is completely sealed. I have both of these clamps tightened as far down as they can, and this is literally not going anywhere. That is on there extremely tight. So this is literally just making the whistle noise because of the intake. And if you guys have made it this far in the video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and click the subscribe button, because this car is just getting started with all of its performance mods. And well, I would say that this is pretty safe to say a pretty cool first mod for the engine bay. The next thing I'm thinking about doing is doing the maintenance on this thing, so oil cover gaskets and water pump, and then I want to get a full aluminum reservoir, and then I want to get a carbon plenum as well. So I want this thing to look absolutely insane. We also have a complete bolt transformation kit coming to where all the bolts that you guys see in the engine bay are going to be a specific color. So that's going to be pretty cool as well. But like I said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.